How to create a Google Ads account, step-by-step guide. Learn digital marketing with Digital Pollen. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Ads account. Whether you're a small business owner or a digital marketer, having a Google Ads account is essential to reaching your target audience and driving sales. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Google Ads, one of the most powerful marketing tools available online. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through the process of creating a Google Ads account from scratch, step by step. Before we dive into creating an account, let's briefly talk about what Google Ads actually are. Essentially, Google Ads are an advertising platform provided by Google that allows businesses to display their ads in search results and across various websites. Using Google Ads, businesses can get their products, services in front of their target audience and drive traffic to their website. To get started with Google Ads, you need to first set up an account. The process is quite simple and straightforward. Just follow these steps. 1. Go to the Google Ads homepage and click on the Start Now button. 2. Enter your email address and website URL. 3. Set up your account preferences, including your target audience and budget. 4. Submit your billing information. 5. Your account is now set up. Once you've created a Google Ads account, the next step is to explore the dashboard. The dashboard is where you'll be able to view and manage your campaigns, ad groups, and keywords. It's important to take some time to familiarize yourself with each element of the dashboard. Now that your account is set up and you've familiarized yourself with the dashboard, it's time to create your first campaign. Here are the steps. 1. Click on the New Campaign button. 2. Choose your campaign type. 3. Set up your campaign settings, including the campaign name, budget, target audience, and ad placements. 4. Click on the Save and Continue button. 5. Set up your ad group, including your ad texts, keywords, and targeting options. Now that you've learned how to set up your Google Ads account and create your first campaign, it's time to talk about some best practices. Research your target audience and choose the right keywords. Set a budget that you can afford and that aligns with your advertising goals. Monitor your campaigns regularly and make adjustments as needed. Test different ad formats and messaging to learn what works best for your audience. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.